how you doing, guys? This is High Performance Mexican. Bringing another video on how you can install your molded pistons. We're gonna be using some Hyper Blue. I like to use these blue ones because they really last for a long time, and I get a good performance out of these pistons. Show you all three of them, and they are made by Hyper Blue. Okay, so I'm gonna show you easy way to install them. And all right, so we grab our piston right here. This will gonna be for your forward drive, okay, and your 4l65s and 700s. Okay, all right, so we grab a little bit of grease right here. Okay, we lubricate. Okay, and one easy way to do it is grab a little more grease, put it on there. Okay, a little bit inside, and then this is how you're gonna do it. Okay, install this, and then you can use your washer, the one that sits on inside here. And how you're gonna do it is you're gonna walk it. Okay, just go like this, walk it around. Okay, that's it. It's in there. That was easy, right? Then you grab your spring, set it there, and set in position. Okay, all right, so and then we're gonna install it here. Okay, our ring, the ring out of there, and we're gonna get this other seal. Okay, they come in your kits. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reinstall, set it in there, and then you're gonna grab this ring, and it sits all the way in there. I'm gonna show you where. Okay, I already took the old one out. Here is the old one. Get rid of that, and it sits inside the groove where you took it out. Okay, right there. You can see it. It sits right there. See it? Okay. Good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna spray a little transmission fluid in there. The more the merrier. Okay. Then set that on the, set that right there. We're gonna grab our 3/4 piston. Put a little grease right there. All right. And we're gonna install it. Okay. So you're gonna do it. Okay. Right there. Easy does it. See there. It's not hard. You just gotta go in and kind of like twist it. All right. And then remember this. We're gonna go back in. Okay. Grab a little more grease. Put some more around that ring that we installed. That little green seal. It comes sometimes black, green, or some kind of blue, green. Yeah, just the different depends on the manufacturer. Depends on the kit. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do. Okay, we grab this piece right here. We're gonna hold it. Don't let it fall. Hold it enough where it reaches there. Now grab your fill gauge. Kind of just go around it. Let it fall down a little bit, and then kind of like make sure this ring is free, and then kind of push it in like that. Okay, that's in, and then you're gonna feel that it's in there. Okay, that was easy, right? Grab more transmission fluid. Okay, right there. Should be enough. grab that piston. Okay. I'm grabbing the drum like this because I'm doing a close up so you can guys see it. Normally, you know, I have this laying on the table. All right. Once that thing is lubricated, just kind of go turn it like this, turn it like this. All right. Then just go. Try your fill gauge. Go on the edge. Be careful not to cut it. That's it. Home run. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is reinstall the snap ring. Okay. The spring and the snap ring. They'll go in there on that groove. Okay. Hold that up. Okay. And now this is how we're gonna install. Press on that till you see the groove. Grab a snap ring. In there. Release the tension, and she's there. Okay. Explain to you something. I like to leave the opening just the way it sits right here. You see these little I think they're designed to lock or to prevent the snap ring, secure snap ring from coming off while it's under a lot of pressure. So what we're gonna do is just I like to leave it like this because it works better. Alright, this is High Performance Mexican. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a like, and keep following me for more videos. Okay, I also got a Facebook page called High Performance Mexican Transmission, and follow me. There will have some other material, some other things. So just give me a like if you like this video. Okay guys, never forget that. Thank you.